So, besides getting a freestyle rap made about me, waking up in an Airbnb in Naples, Florida, and on top of everything else, having the unfortunate luck of getting rained on in Naples, Florida, everything in this video is completely diced up and random. So, if you're watching this, no, it's just a bunch of random videos put together of my time in Naples, Florida. So, yeah, this will be interesting. Just got rained on. Wonderful way to start Naples Beach. Okay, so it is storming way over there, and I was gonna go on the pier. I'm probably fixing to in a little bit. I got 4 hours of parking, and I'm going to probably be exploring all of Naples today. But yeah, it's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It is raining, and yeah, that's the best way to describe this so far. So yeah, fun. You know, despite everyone having to take shelter over there, they were still jumping in the water and crap. So I was like, why are you even like taking shelter? You know, and, like, just jumping out. It's raining, but I just don't give a single. I'm gonna jump in. I might as well. I think I might as well go ahead and go up the pier. So yeah, let's just walk this. You can see like over there where it's just raining behind me, but it's not raining that much here, which is, thank God for that, because I kind of need to just look around Naples, because there's a lot of shit I want to do. I gotta go downtown in a little bit, but for now we're gonna walk all the way everywhere. So yeah, there it is, fucking dolphin. Go on.
I was like, man, I just really want a picture. It's a dolphin, guys! He's gonna eat my fish. If I had a 12 gauge, he'd have been shot already.
Where'd it go?
He's excited.
Come on. I just want to get a jump.
He's excited.
All right, so I think it's kind of clearing up, maybe. But yeah, like I just saw 2 dolphins jump out the water, and then like splash back down and shit. It was pretty cool. But I'm just gonna hop in the water. Hope my phone doesn't get stolen. I put it in my backpack. I'm gonna take out my GoPro. So, and then when I hit the downtown, probably and eat, and then from there, yeah, I don't know quite sure yet. Honestly, I'm going to leave this video on the highest note possible and include this short little rap, well, freestyle, that this this guy named Marcus did for me while I was at him and his friend Alex's Airbnb in Naples, Florida. I woke up to this the next morning, and I was just laughing my ass off and having fun with these people. So, huge thanks to that. Thanks for checking out the video, and there'll be more videos to come in the near future. We are checking out the Everglades, and then heading down to Key West and much more. So if you guys want to see that or like what you see, feel free to smash that like button. Did I still say that? I don't know. Maybe they do. I don't know. Whatever. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you sticking around this far, and without further ado, I'm gonna let you guys go ahead and continue on with the day. with the day. So, peace, stay safe. See you guys in the next one.
What's your last name?
Tuggle. Tuggle. Yeah.
That boy Cody Tuggle. Alright, from what you told me, you said you look from Georgia?
Yeah.
Hey, really, yes, from Georgia, about that Florida, and that Florida, like touring now. And them foreign cow, they question, we destined, yes, for all this flexing. Not to really mention, yes, it's always Airbnb. Feeling free, 2 grams in my pocket, never, ever gonna stop it. Yes, you for the pedal. We're gonna settle for the devil, never. I fucking lost it, but like before I said, yes, we bossing, but what the fuck's the option? I really need to find it, divine fucking rhyming, but yeah. Cody, really smoking OG. I'm just trying to fucking find a way to roll these different joints, different joints, and getting down to the point, tip of the spear, but it's kinda hard to steer, cause I'm smoking too much of that fucking gas, taking a few, roll me a few of that skunk shit, that you know I'm stunting. Acrobatics, had to act a little savage, but the mathematics had to calculate. Accuracy, we devastate with the prophets, where the prophet had to really be it. What's the meaning? I don't really know the sequence. I gotta find it. Bruh.
That was fucking good. That was good.